Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everybody. Here an explanation about exercise 14. And exercise 14 look like exercise 13, where I already created a video for you. But let me just have a look at exercise 14. In April, a packet of green tea cost 72 cents. In May, the price was increased by 4.2%, and in September, the price was increased again further by 50.8%. Calculate the percentage increase of the green tea in period April and September. All right, so we have a price of 0.72 euros. And first, it will increase with 4.2%, so 100%. Plus 4.2% is together 104.2%, which is as decimal number 1.042. That's where we need to multiply that 0.72 cents of euros. All right. So then we need to do exactly the same with 100%. So 100 plus 50.8%. Is together 150.8% is as decimal number 1.158. So to calculate the new price calculate the percentage increase of green, first we need to know what the new price is. So we start with 0.72 and then multiplying with 1.042. That will be the increase in May, and then later if I multiply that answer with 1.158, then you have the increase in September. All right, now which is a price of 87. You need to round at 2 decimal places because we talk about euros. This is not the question yet, because they want to ask you calculate the percentage increase. So what is the difference between the price where we just start with and the new price? So new minus old. So that's 0.87 minus 0.72 is equal to 15 cents. Now to calculate the percentage increase, we do that 50 cents, the 0.50 euros, divided with the old price, so 0.72, multiply with 100 is equal to 20.8%. Yeah, so the difference between exercise 13 and 14, here you need to know all those steps. So step number 1 is to calculate the new price. Step number 2, what is the difference between the old price and the new price? And then, of course, step number 3 is to calculate your percentage increase. Okay, let's have a look at exercise B. Because there, they're gonna talk about a decrease instead of an increase. So in 2007, there were 630,000 overnight stays sold in 1-star hotels. In 2008, there were a 90.4% less. Compared to 2008, there was a further decrease of 21.5% in 2009. All right, so if we look at exercise B, first we need to look at, we start with 100% always, but it will decrease in the first time with 90.4%, which 80.6%, as decimal number is 0.806. All right, further it will decrease with 21.5%, so 100 minus 21.5 is equal to 78.5%, as decimal number 0.785. Now, to calculate the new total of overnight stays, we need to multiply the 630,000 by 0.806 and times again 0.8 785. Yeah, so the first step is the degrees in 2008, and then the degrees in 2009, which is approximately 398,607 overnight stays. All right. To know the percentage decrease, we do exactly the same at exercise A. So what is the difference between the 630,000 with that number, 398,607, and that's 231,392. Now, to know the percentage increase, we need to do 231,392 over 630,000, because you just compared always with the old situation, and the old situation was 630,000. Multiply with 100 is equal to 36.7%. All right? So at exercise B, we do almost exactly the same as exercise B, but here first we just look at the decimal numbers where we need to multiply the total number of overnight stays, and then of course what is the difference between those two numbers, and then we need to calculate the percentage decrease. All right, so good luck with the rest of exercises. If there are any questions, please ask.